Morning student, myself Care Singh from Javtri Academy. Today we will see class 10 subject SST Economics chapter 3 Money and Credit. Here we see the topic term of credit. Credit can be given for a specific terms. The loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. The loan agreement, if the loan agreement have been signed between borrower and lender, thereafter lender gives some specific condition that when the amount have been returned to me, and borrower must be ready that when that the time period will be completed, thereafter he must repay that amount for a specific interest, means some principal amount, and with interest he can return to the lender. Thereafter lenders may also demand collateral against loan. Lender are the person those have been give the money, and borrower are the person those have been take money. So lender give different types of demand. Lender wants some security against loan. If any person give the amount, thereafter he think that what is the proof that you can be returned to that amount. He wants some security, and this security is called collateral. So lenders also assure the mode of payment before giving loan. So lender want a surety that the loan must be returned for a specific time period, and what about the mode of repayment. So he want to be take surety for the particular loan. Thereafter lender may also seek certain document for the proof of identity, address and income before giving loan. Lender want to be make surety that you must give your document, that document shows your ID proof, your address proof and your income those you have been earned. If that document show that you can fulfill the particular condition and you return that amount for a specific time period. Thereafter the meaning of what is collateral. Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposits with banks, and use this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. As we see that collateral is a type of security. So here we see that collateral a type of asset that the borrower give to the those person have been given the loan, that is lender. Borrower give the documents of land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposits with banks. They give the surety as a guarantee to a lender that he can repay the loan. If I cannot repay the loan, thereafter you must take my guarantee those I have been given, the land documents, the building documents and vehicles, and any other things those we have been given. Thereafter, if the borrower fail to repay the loan, the lender has the right to sell the asset or collateral to obtain payment. If the borrower cannot repay the loan on a specific time period, thereafter the lender has given the right to sell that particular assets, property for collect that particular payment. Okay, thank you very much.